What's up everybody, this is Joe from Mainline Overland. Today I wanted to show you around the new Dometic Go water jug. So this jug has 11 liter capacity. A lot of other jugs out there only hold 10. So they were able to squeeze a whole other liter of capacity out of this. This comes standard with this spigot attachment here. So to dispense the water, you'll just want to flip it down. And then if you can just turn this, you can fill up your water, do dishes, brush your teeth, kind of covers your whole water setup at camp. A cool feature about this fitting right here is they actually designed it to be the same size as a Nalgene. So if you were to break this or lose it or anything, you could always take your cap from your Nalgene and it'll thread right on there for you. So looking at the top here, you'll notice there's the original spigot on there, but there's also this larger opening here, which is actually meant to fill it. And you'll notice this tube is attached. And that is because Dometic has an optional electric faucet that they offer to work with this Dometic Go water jug. So this is the faucet here, has a built-in LED light down there, and it is rechargeable with a micro USB. It's pretty cool. It has a magnetic base, so it'll clip on to this little metal plate here, and then this tube just gets plugged in right there. And now, at the touch of a button, you can have fresh water for drinking. You can have fresh water, there it goes. So this makes doing dishes at camp, brushing your teeth, filling up water super easy. And basically at a touch of a button, you can do all those things. So not only does this make filling up your water super easy, but it really streamlines the cleanup process at camp after you're done cooking. So if you're boiling water, it's easy to fill up a jug with this, or once you're done, a lot of people have the kind of collapsible drop-in sinks. So you can basically set this up right next to that, and you can have a on-demand water faucet for doing your dishes after you cook. So what I've seen a few people do is they set this up kind of near their collapsible sink that you see a lot of people have. And then you basically have a on-demand faucet whenever you need it for cleaning up camp, which makes cleaning up dishes, cleaning up silverware super easy. And another cool thing about this is they include this little additional base for this. So what I would personally do is mount this on this table, or kind of mount it in that area that you're going to be cleaning up. And then this will actually mount to this and can kind of live there permanently. And then whenever you're ready to go, you just take this off and this little puck can stay there. The included hose on this isn't super long, but you could go to any hardware store and buy one of these that is super long. So you could keep this water jug either in your truck or down below somewhere and have it totally out of the way and just have the faucet up above. Dometic really thought through the design of this water jug. Having a taller profile and not having like a big cube like most of the other water jugs you see out there, those are always kind of awkward to carry and store in your car. And with the carrying handles on this makes it super easy to pour it around, and the taller design makes it fit perfectly behind the driver's or passenger seat here. So it still gives you plenty of room, and it's just a great spot to store it. In my opinion, this Dometic Go water jug is an essential piece of kit for anyone who is into camping or overlanding. It provides a super streamlined and simple, well thought out design for carrying, transporting, and dispensing water. If you want to pick these up for yourself, head over to our website, mainlineoverland.com. We have the gray color in stock. We also have the faucets in stock. And go ahead and order yours today and we'll get that shipped out for you. Thanks for watching.